Back at it again with another video. Kang's Kicks. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go. What's good, YouTube? Back with another video. I got some heat for y'all today. I got something that didn't release in stores. I think it's gonna be hard. And like I said last time, see the box? The last box had a check on it. This one doesn't. I told y'all that they were special, man. I told y'all that I was filling a box, man, because this one definitely don't have a check on it, man. So let's go ahead and get into this, man. Let's get into this. Let's see what these things are. I know what they are. They something that didn't release in stores. Crack these things open right quick. It's like opening a Pepsi or something, you know what I'm saying? Opening your favorite drink, cracking it open. Just like that. Ooh, see? The wings. That's what they are. Jordan 10 wings. Ooh, look, we got a rose on it too. Hey, happy Valentine's Day, y'all. Happy Valentine's Day. I didn't even know. I swear I didn't know. I did not know. The box is crazy though. Hey, look, and if y'all don't like boxes, y'all not a sneakerhead, man. If y'all ain't never bought a shoe just because of the box, you're not a sneakerhead. You're not. I mean, you might like shoes, but you don't love shoes, and you're not a sneakerhead. Okay? Let's get these things out real quick, man. Ooh, go look at that. Oh, I've been waiting to get these in my hands too, just to see what these are looking like. Oh my God. Are they? Ooh, look at that. Look at them boys. Look at them boys. See, I knew these were special because of the back. That's the thing. See that right there on the back? It looked like a wing to me. These are hard. Now the thing about these is they so special. I mean, would I wear them? I wouldn't even want to wear them. These look like they need to be like up on a trophy case somewhere. Like they really do. Like they're that unique and that special. So these is a part of the Chicago collaboration pack for All-Star Weekend. And they dope. I mean, upper is nice, multicolored, shiny right here. Lower mid. So these are hard, man. I just, inside of the tongue, people the inside of the tongue right there. Say wings on it. These are dope. These are real dope. I mean, I don't know what else to say other than they dope. They really clean, man. And the box itself, the box does it. Sometimes on a shoe, the box doesn't. It's just a fact of the matter. Sometimes the box will do it for you. I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of a history right quick, man. So the Jordan 10's, they originally released in 94, 95, right? Is when they came out. And so the first colorway that they came out with was a graphite, was steel. So this is my pair right here. This is the first pair of 10's that Jordan ever wore. He was playing baseball at the time too, I believe. He had took a break. So the date on these, let's look at the date on these. Date on these is 7/29/13 was when I copped my retro. I feel 10's, man. I like 10's. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. Y'all please, man, like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all the love that y'all show your boy, man. Happy Valentine's Day. Hey, hope y'all got a Valentine's. You know what I'm saying? This is my Valentine's today. This is my baby. All right. Until next time. Oh, yeah. That's right. I forgot to mention. We getting ready to hit SD. We getting ready to go to a Nike event. So before I do that, I'm going to pull up at Authentic Soul. I'm going to have to show them these. You know what I'm saying? Got to show them these before I take off. So I'm going to holler at y'all in a minute.